In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit the columns in the line item editor in HubSpot so you can fully customize what your team sees when creating deals, quotes, and invoices. If you've ever wanted to add specific properties, remove unnecessary columns, or simply clean up your layout to make it more efficient, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Settings gear icon. This will open up your main settings panel where you can control account-wide configurations. Now that you're in Settings, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of different objects and configuration options. Go ahead and click on Objects and then select Products. Even though we're editing line items, they are managed under the Products object in HubSpot. As soon as you click on Products, a submenu will expand underneath it. In that submenu, click on Line Items. This is where all the properties related to line items are stored and managed. Once you're inside the Line Item section, look for the option that says Manage Line Item Properties. Click on that. This area controls which columns appear inside the line item editor when you're adding products to a deal or quote. Now you'll see two main sections on your screen. On one side, you'll see Available Columns. These are all the properties that exist for line items in your HubSpot account. On the other side, you'll see Active Columns. These are the columns that are currently visible in the line item editor. If you want to add a new column, simply click on the plus Add Property option. You can search for the property you want to include, select it, and add it to your active columns. This is perfect if you've created custom properties like margin, custom SKU fields, or internal notes that your team needs access to while building deals. If you want to remove a column, just locate it under Active Columns and remove it from the list. This helps reduce clutter and ensures your sales team only sees the fields that actually matter. You can also drag and drop the columns to rearrange their order. The order you set here will determine how they appear inside the line item editor. This is especially useful if you want important fields like quantity, price, or discount to appear first for faster data entry. Take a moment to organize your layout in a way that makes the most sense for your workflow. Think about what your team uses daily and what can be hidden to simplify the experience. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click Save. This is a crucial step. If you navigate away without saving, your changes won't apply. After saving, you can test your updates by opening a deal, adding a line item, and confirming that your new columns are visible and arranged the way you intended. And that's it. You've successfully edited the columns in the line item editor in HubSpot. Customizing this layout can significantly improve efficiency, reduce errors, and make your sales process smoother overall. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more HubSpot tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.